Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the closing bell here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We've just gone slightly later than advertised because I put a premiere out. A very big YouTuber with millions of subscribers, Meet Kevin, just put a post out, and I wanted to react to it, so I wanted to put that out as quickly as possible, and then the live show would go slightly later. But anyway, there we go. I just wanted to cover that. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got something out of that. And there it is. Let's see what happens. As I say, I do expect to lose some subscribers for that, but that's absolutely fine. Doesn't bother me. I think Meet Kevin is doing the wrong thing, and only time will tell. Anyway, let's have a look. Hey up, Bahana heads, says Vaz. Party tonight again. Just 2 songs. Yeah, just 2. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the studio green because, like yesterday, when I said it was red, it would end up green again. I believe it will. We're trying to push up, so we're red right now, but only like 0.08. So I expect to turn green again in a moment. It's another day of nonsense going on. Anyway, hopefully we'll get to hear today an update from Stephen Lewandowski about his position on Matador. I know he's just bought Matador, so congratulations to him. And we'll get to hear about it in a few minutes. I'm sure he'll tell us all about it. He might even call in, which would be kind of cool to hear all about it. Anyway, how is everybody doing? We've only got a few minutes to go before the end of the bell, so the end of the session, just over half an hour. As predicted, I've just lost a couple of subscribers. That's absolutely fine. It doesn't matter. It's the right thing to say, and I'm going to do the right thing, not what's going to get me subscribers. If you've just missed the premiere, it just went out a few seconds ago. You might like to go and look at it. I know it was low resolution. If you're watching on a big screen, it's because it's so hot off the press. It hasn't had chance to cook yet. If you understand what I mean. Anyway, here is the video. I've got some videos that have just gone out. There's Meet Kevin. He's got millions of subscribers, appealing to the lowest level to get your viewership. I've done the very opposite, so I hope maybe you see that, maybe you don't. But there is the video just gone out. End-phase news, some big news that just went out 2 hours ago. Roaring Kitty is being banned now from E-Trade. You can go and check that out 2 hours ago. Faraday Future, we gave a new perspective. Is it all over now for Faraday Future? That's just gone out. And we use an AI model as well to draw upon. See what you think of that. We've got Fuel Cell energy analysis just gone out 5 hours ago. Matador 4 hours ago, big buy-in from Stephen Lewandowski, and yes, he has bought his Matador today, just under $200,000. He's just done it live, posted in the extra channel. Oxygen analysis as well, that's just gone out as well. All right, what did MSK just say in the chat? Let's have a quick look. You'll never lose me as a subscriber or a member, but leave GameStop situation now. Let the do his thing. And if we benefit, then we do. If we lose, and if we lose, we don't. There you go, MSK. Absolutely, I totally agree. We don't focus on it as much now. I'm just still covering the main news of the news of the day. We're not focusing on it like we have been the last few days at all. All right, let's read your comments. Hey up, banana heads. But on a serious note, my girlfriend missed it last night. We just watched it, and she absolutely loved it. Vaz, that's absolutely great. Thank you so much indeed. I'm glad she watched the replay. That's very, very cool. Thank you very much indeed. Hey, family, how is everyone? Hope I won't get banned on here, says Vaz. Yeah, I know. Who was it again? It was Ed Nevius, wasn't it? Ed Nevius, yes. Oil is looking good for a long buy zone, 72.50. Yes, we've just covered it. We're looking at it now. So let's have a quick look. Matador. This was it here. This was Stephen Lewandowski. He's just bought in at this price here, just under $200,000. He's expecting in I think he said 100 days to make $48,000. Wow, there you go. What a big position that was. That's our biggest ever position live on the show, biggest ever. We know Andy Shovel bought $250,000 worth of Virgin Galactic, but that wasn't on air. This was during our show. The setup was made here, our biggest ever position. So very, very exciting day for Stephen Lewandowski. I'm just saying I would watch Martyn in a hat or a suit. I wear hats every day. Not going to appeal to me by wearing a hat. I'm just saying I would watch Martyn in a hat or a suit. I wear hats every day. Not going to appeal to me by wearing a hat. Okay, there you go. Do I get your vote now? There you go. How about that? Vaz, yikes, I missed it. You missed it last night. Yes. He got banned by Ed Nevius. Yes. Hope you're going to make individual songs from last night as well. Yes, I am. Thank you for asking. I think I will be able to do it after tonight's show. So in half an hour, I will do it. So look out tonight for some individual songs. Thank you so much. Because, of course, I've got to do father and son just for you, right? Ed Spitzer, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? So let's have a quick look. Let's see. Let's have a little look at what's going on here. Right, I want to see what happens. I want to see. Let's see. Let's see if my subscribers goes down. I expect it to, because people don't like going against Meet Kevin, stuff like that. 25,754 hasn't moved. I just lost one a minute ago, but we'll keep our eye on it. Okay. We'll see what happens. So should I put 200 grand in Matador? Well, I tell you what, Stacey Bailey, Stephen Lewandowski has just done it, and you've got a better price. It's gone down from where he bought it. I think his buy-in price was, let me see. I swing trade. Where is it? I made 550,000. Where is it? Joining you for a long time. Here we go. I just bought Matador at 58. At 58, $176,000. I originally wanted 59, so he's happy. Look at this. Here we go. So I would imagine, look, there you go. There is Stephen Lewandowski's comment. I just bought Matador at $58, 3,036 shares, 176,000. I think I'll buy some now then. I'll buy some now at 57.74 just to annoy him. Just to annoy him. I am tempted with Matador. Oh my God, everyone's buying it. Everyone's buying it. Amazing. Shall we all buy it? Should I buy it? Shall I use my margin to buy Matador? Shall I? Hey, what do you reckon? I can't do that, can I? I've got to stick to my principle. I've got to stick to what I said was right. Anyway, look, there you go. 58. Stephen bought it for. It's 57 now. And MSK is tempted. We've got Stacey Bailey. She's thinking of buying the stock as well. There you go. What do you think of that? What do you think? I'm taking this hat off. All right. I like wearing hats, just not to appeal to make people just vote for me. That's the difference. Anyway, so should I put 200 into Matador? Greeting from the other side of the pond. I'm fortunate, glad to have found your channel. You're already a legend in my book. How nice is that? Michael Bayanmungo. Where are you from, Michael? Was that Michelle? Is that Michelle or Michael? Bayamungo. Where are you from? Greeting from the other side of the... You mean the pond? Other side of the pond, I think. I'm fortunate, glad to have found your channel. You're already a legend in my book. That's nice. How nice is that? I appreciate it. somewhere around 57. I'm tempted with MTDR. Are you covering CrowdStrike Holdings report today? No, I'm not. I could have done if we had a member do a super chat for it, then I would have covered it. But no, I do earnings for the members, and no one has requested it. So no, I'm not. Otherwise, I would have done, but no one requested it. Michael, the States. Well, Michael, I'm going to upset you now, because even though I am from England and my home is in Cornwall, in England, I'm actually here in Dallas, Texas. So my studio is in Dallas, Texas. That's where I am right now, Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall in England. So there you go. So anyway, WESR is backwards, way cooler. Or where it backwards? All right. Is that good? There you go. Have I got it on right? I probably got it on wrong. There's probably something wrong about that, but that doesn't matter. I've never wore a hat backwards. I don't see the point. It's like wearing your jeans halfway down your arse. They were shaped and cut to fit round your hips and your waist. A hat wasn't meant to do that. What's the point of it? The point is that peak is supposed to keep the sun out your eyes. This bit here doesn't fit. This is not how it was designed. It's like trying to put a square peg in a round hole. It doesn't make sense. Wearing a hat like this to appeal to people that wear their hats back to front, it doesn't make any sense. It's like me wearing it's like trying to put my tie on upside down, or put my pants on my head and my socks on my hands for gloves, just to be different. I don't want to be different for the sake of it. What's the point of that? It don't make any sense. Oh God. But anyway, see, I was never cool. I'm not cool. Never will be. Never have been. Don't know how to be. Don't want to try and be cool. So let's not try and kid anyone. Let's not try and kid anyone. All right. Only do it. Only do it, Matador, if you believe I am only letting everyone know what I did. Only do it. Only do it, MTDR, if you believe. I am only letting everyone know what I did. Don't give out advice or promote anything. There you go. Stephen Lewandowski is just sharing with you what he's doing, and that's it. All right, Stacy. But then you wouldn't be able to see that wonderful logo. Exactly. See? What's the point? There's the logo. Right, zoom in. Here we go. Zoom in. Right? See? There's the logo, right? So you wear it backwards, doesn't do anything, does it? Pointless. No more hat tricks. Okay. Stacy, but then you wouldn't be yeah. Martyn Lucas wants a Martyn wants password again. Oh, what's the password again? Oh God, here we go. Oh, here we go. MSK is going to call in. You know it's going to be a bloody disaster, right? Here we go. Oh, my God. Yeah. What's the part? Anyway, automatically 10 years younger, 2-pack. Really? Sod it. There you go. 10 years younger. There you go. Hang on. I'm going to get it. If I'm going to do it, let's do it right. There you go. What do you reckon? There you go. Do I pass for a 30-year-old now? Do I? All right. Automatically pass for 10 years younger. See? 10 years younger. There you go. Signed to the green room. There he is. We've got MSK on the show. Who wants to hear him? Anybody want to hear him? Course we do. Course we do. Let me just unmute you. I think you've muted yourself. Let's have a little look. Let me go over to the interview screen. There he is, MSK. What do you reckon with the hat? Look at this. You got say something, MSK. Why aren't you speaking?
You know what? Let me just let me.
What's
You know what,
what?
Martin? Let me just say this. Martin, let me just say this. Let me mute you right now. Okay. There you go. That's better.
There
That's
you
better.
go. You were behind the stream. I was thinking, why are you just staring at me? I'm going, speak to me, and you're just going like that. I'm thinking, what's going on? You were listening to something else, weren't you? You were behind the stream.
Yeah, I was listening to some good music, and then Martin just intruded my ears, and I was
Well,
like, "Oh my god, what
excuse me,
is this
excuse me. You called it.
noise?"
You called into my show. You called me. I didn't call you. You called me.
Fair, fair. You
How
got me.
can
You
I
got me there.
intrude with you? You called my show. What's going on,
You
MSK?
got me. You got. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. This
Yeah.
guy's intelligent. He got me. He got me.
It wasn't that hard to work it out though that you phoned me. It went ring ring and I saw you. So it was I got it straight away. The penny dropped
No,
straight
no.
away.
Most people, when I go ring ring, they're like, "No, this person's too intelligent. I'm not going to talk to him
Yeah,
because
I'm
I'm
not
going to
going to
sound
answer the
stupid."
phone. I'm not going to pick it
Martin,
up.
ladies and gentlemen, he's an intelligent guy. Let me tell you. That's why I called in, and he has the courage to actually pick up the call. So there you go. That is Martin Lucas, ladies and gentlemen.
So what's going on? Why are you phoning me up? What's going on?
I just with this roaring kitty.
Oh yeah.
Uh,
You want to jump on the bandwagon as
I
well, do
just
you?
want to say, if you want to invest, you have to think very carefully. It's all I'm gonna say. Martin is telling you the right stuff. It's very intelligent and it's logical. But if you want to gamble, that's upon you.
Yeah. But
That is upon you. And I have made gambles and made money on this gamble. If you want to look at it that way, and there are opportunities, but it's like little spaces of opportunities. It's like Ed Nevius would probably be a better person to talk to in this realm as opposed to me. But
oh, hang on a second. Have we lost the broadcast? Let me just check. I don't know if we've lost the broadcast. Uh, hang on. I need to zoom forward. We seem to have a technical issue. Um, Playback speed. Let me just double that up. Make sure. Oh no, I think we're fine. We're back. We had a few moments there where we
okay.
sort of glitched, but I think we're good. No, we're fine. MSK. Sorry to interrupt you there. We had
Yeah, no, that's
we
fine.
had
That's
a
fine.
moment, but we're all fine now.
Yeah, I was just saying, I'm not the expert in this field, but I think G or GameStop is a scalping stock. It's not an investment. Let's just get that straight. It's not an investment. Okay. Anyone who thinks a GameStop is an investment is an idiot. I'll say that. Let's just say that
Just
straight
come
up.
straight out with it.
Yeah. I've made money out of GameStop, good money, but it's because I've jumped in and jumped out. Okay. You need to, and I think Ed Nevius is the expert. I'm nowhere near at that caliber, so I'm not going to even make any comments on jumping in and out of stocks. But just if you want to invest, don't think that there's this guy called Roaring Kitty who's a god who's going to make you millions of pounds. If you think that, you're stupid. Okay, you're stupid. Uh,
Yeah. But
it just
unfortunately, this is
yeah.
how easily people are influenced today. It's why Meet Kevin's jumped on it today, and I said we wouldn't cover it anymore, and I'm trying not to. But when it's sort of dominating the news, it's on CNBC, it's on Bloomberg, everyone's talking about it. We are focused on stocks, and tomorrow we're not going to touch it at all. The rest of the week, I just don't want to touch it at all. But it's important to cover the news of what's going on. It really is. But
Do you know why I called in Martin?
yes,
Because
tell me.
you told us today. You told us today that you getting tired and demotivated
Yeah.
because This
Yeah.
isn't why you decided to do this in the first place, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Don't please, Martin, don't, because what you do, we love. Okay, keep doing what you do. Don't let these bullshit, moments of life demotivate you. Don't.
I appreciate that, and I feel fine now. After last night's music
Yeah.
concert, we had that's why we did it. We celebrated Stephen's birthday, and we had some fun. And
Also, I'm sorry, I wasn't there last night. I'm sorry. You
yeah,
know,
where were you? It was a
I
great
was
one as
busy.
well. It
I'm
was one of
sorry.
those those impromptu nights, and
Yeah, yeah.
it was supposed to be 2 songs, and it ended up being like an hour. I don't quite know how that happened, but anyway,
And
it
that's what makes it special.
it was
Because you
fun.
care about the people. You
Yes,
care
we had a
about the
good
people.
time. We had a good time.
You're not
But
like, oh yeah, yeah, you're not paying me enough. I'm just gonna give you one song and I'm gonna go. You're gonna give them 10 songs, even if they pay you peanuts.
I tell you what,
That's what's special about
yeah,
you.
yeah, but you know what, MSK? It was a good job that you wasn't in last night because I was doing my
Right.
voodoo. I was doing my look into the screen, give me money. Yeah, I was doing all that, right? And
All
everyone
right.
gave me a super chat. So it obviously worked. My powers work. So it's good that you weren't in because you might have done $500. And you wouldn't have been you wouldn't have been able to help yourself because the power of the voodoo that I've got is amazing. Everyone did it. There was $2, $5. I thought, oh my god, if MSK's in, it's going to be 500 here. So it's good you wasn't in really because the voodoo would have got you.
Sorry, I wasn't in. I'm sorry,
Yeah,
I wasn't in.
yeah.
But
I'm sorry you wasn't in too because the
it's
voodoo
not
would have
even about
worked.
the power. It's about if people love you, they will respect you.
I'm
That
only
is
joking.
what I'm saying.
Yeah, yeah. It's
It's
fun.
not about
No, I feel
Martin
good.
Lucas. I'm just telling the people, it's not about Martin Lucas creating some kind of voodoo, telling people to pay money. You love him because he creates content that's actually amazing. I have no affiliation with this guy, but I love what he does.
We have fun. It's all about that, isn't it? It's just about fun, at the end of the day. And I feel good now. Yesterday's show ended up being this morning. What was it? After we did the party this morning was great. We're back on it again now. We're not bothered about it. I've come to realize that you can't fix people. Don't try and fix people. People don't want to know. They're in their own world. They're happy with it. They're happy. I mean, they're happy just losing all their money. They seem to be. So let them do it. The trouble is, I try to fix everybody. This is why years ago, why I wanted to be a member of parliament. I wanted to be prime minister. I was starting that whole journey because I want to help people and fix people. Trouble is, most people don't want to be helped, so you just let them get on with it. So anyway, look, I told everybody it would turn green. I was right yesterday. I was right the day before, and I'm right again today. You see, all this nonsense in between. It's all good. Just got to stay the course, become an investor, stay an investor, and you'll be all right.
Do you know what is, Martin?
What's up, mate?
Most people, let's say 75% of people want to be millionaires without having to put in the effort.
Yeah,
And that is the problem. And
yeah.
that is the problem with retail traders. They think, some guy talks on YouTube or Twitter and says, you know what, I'm going to make you a millionaire. And they jump on the idea because they're not willing to put in the effort. Yeah?
It's just the way people are today. It just seems. I
Yeah.
think. I think it's why we've got all this. Why we've got all this stuff going on now in the election. We've got unprecedented level of hatred and anger. I've looked through the history, right back to looking at George Washington, looking at Kennedy, looking at all the great leaders in America. Ronald Reagan, all these different leaders over the hundreds of years or whatever. There's never been a time like it is in America right now. But there's people calling for civil war. If Donald Trump doesn't get voted as president, we're going to have a war. And there's people trying to stop it. In England, you're either Labour or Conservative. Generally, there's other parties, the Green Party, and there's the Monty Raven Looney. I'd be in that, right? But I'm only joking. There's 2 main parties, right? But but I don't seem to see in England where one hates the other. You might not like Labour or you might not like Conservative, but you don't kind of want to go all out and I don't want to use, the words, the really strong words, but you know what I mean? It seems in America, though, we've got this divide. I mean, at England, I still feel like we're Great Britain. There's a country's generally united, even though it's not everyone's happy, but generally, I think in America, it's like two countries right now. Everyone's divided. And because of that, people like, Roaring Kitty and people like big influencers like Omar with millions of subscribers can appeal to people so easily. They'll follow anything. They'll just join the bandwagon. It makes them feel part of something. Like people feel part of this. But at least this is a force for good. It's not to manipulate and get you all to sign up to something other than my voodoo. Apart from that, that's real.
Yeah. You know what, Martin, I don't want to get into politics, but I understand that you don't want to use this channel for political reasons either. So I'm not going to make a comment on that point. As much as I'll say one thing, whatever happened to, as much as, I live in the UK, so it doesn't make a difference to me. What's happened to Donald Trump is bollocks. In English words, it's bollocks.
Well, you're entitled to your
As
point
an
of view. I'm
intelligent
not. I'm not
person,
gonna. I'm not gonna respond to that. I'm just gonna let you say your thing. That's
yeah.
fine.
I graduated from Cambridge University, one of the most esteemed universities in the world. And I'm
True.
going to tell you, it's bollocks. Okay, so what you can take it as whatever you like, whoever is watching this. And I know, Martin, I'm not asking for your opinion, but from the opinion of people that are commenting right now, because I can see a lot of comments coming in. But yeah, that's all I need to say. But you know what,
Well,
let me just scroll up.
thank you for sharing that. We've only got 10 minutes to go. I need to
Okay,
wrap up
I'm not going to
the.
scroll up.
Eh?
I'm not going to scroll up.
Yeah, you
I'll
can.
let you finish the show.
Yes, I've got to wrap up the show now because we've only got 10 minutes to
Yeah,
go. I'm going to
yeah,
ring the
that's
bell,
fine. That's fine.
go through the final
Yeah,
stocks, and then I'm going to get to work putting out my music songs from last night. So I've got another few hours of work to do. It's always nice of you
yeah.
to call in. Appreciate it. Thanks for sharing your opinions on that. And thanks for your support. I feel great today. We're going to move on. We're going to move on from all of this. If people want to gamble and stuff, that's their prerogative. Let them do it. I'm just here to report the news, tell you what's going on. Meet Kevin clearly is trying to manipulate, get more viewers for himself, and that's fine. Good luck to him. But it's, I know that I will lose subscribers for doing it, but I don't care because I want to do the right thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, totally. I mean, even if I'm shorting or buying GameStop, I'm gonna tell this channel that I'm doing it because that's the kind of respect that I have for you, Martin. You know what I'm saying? It's
Well,
like
I appreciate that, MSK. I've got to let you go because we're just about running out of time. But
yeah,
thank you, as always, for calling in. It's always a pleasure.
no, absolutely. Likewise, likewise.
Take care, mate. Lovely to have you there. MSK, always great to hear from our mate there calling in, sharing his opinions on the show. As you can see, we are green again now. We've got just 12 minutes to go before the bell. So we're nearly there. Are we going to end the day green? I believe so. I said we would this morning, and I'm very happy once again being up today. Remember, I'm exaggerating the market because I'm in margin. So if I'm down more. If I'm up more. That's the way it goes. Let's read the comments. Nikunj, hi, Stephen Lewandowski. Are you in MTDR? Yes. He just bought MTDR at 58. It has come down since then. The markets are starting to speed up now. That's looking good. Oh, hang on a minute. Here's the one I want to show you. He just bought in. Stacy said, should I buy $200,000 worth? We loved it. What, the hat backwards? Oh, yeah. There you go. Look at that. You've never seen anything like it, have you? I mean, that is the height of, I can see it, I can see it. It's the height of coolness. It's the height of coolness. Anyone holding meme coins? I got some Turbo coin. Join Sensei on Sunday and he'll go for all his stocks with you, I'm sure. I have very little meme coin, said Ed Spitzer. Someday, MSK. MSK, watch that last night's show. It's worth it. we had a good night. I must admit, it did feel really good. My end goal is to be able to have all types of stocks. I want S&P, defensive, new crypto stocks, meme stocks, crypto, and all the variants. I mean party. Indeed it was. It was a lot of fun. Thank you very much for joining me. All right, we're coming to the end of the show. We've got just 10 minutes to go. Are we going to end up green? Yes, we are green. The Virgin Galactic is down 86 cents now. It's down at those lows again. This is the buy zone. Remember the buy zone presented to you by Sensei? We are hitting the buy zone again now. In his opinion, he's been right every time so far. Palantir is up today, $22 now. Gold down today. The S&P is going up now rather quickly. Amazon's going up. Apple's going up. Next Era Energy is on the way down. Slightly. Enphase Energy, we put some good news out today. Enphase, if you've missed it, go and check it out. Coca-Cola, what a great day for Coca-Cola, up 1.61. That's a lot for that stock. J&J still holding around, waiting for full litigation. It's a $200 stock, this one. The dividends alone are worth holding this stock. I'm not green today. DXYZ. Ouch. Yes, indeed. Stacey, thank you for sharing that. Chevron down at the moment. Oil. Tesla 175, only worth 110 in my opinion. Rivian going down today. McDonald's, look at that. You can never overbuy land. Google is on the way up, 0.24, looking good today. Microsoft up as well. Nvidia 1,164, very, very nice indeed. Are we at the top now for Nvidia? Can it just keep on going? Who knows? Walmart up today. Tilray Brands, barcoding action going on here. 178. 178. That's because all the news around legislation and reclassification's gone very, very quiet. So that's why Tilray Brands and all those stocks are going sideways. Robinhood down slightly today. IonQ is down. Rocket Lab today is down, but coming back up again. Plug Power down 6%. 6%. Anything under 3 is a good price for me. Rumble down today 1.23. Funware down 7%. FFIE. Faraday Future. We're getting a bit of a movement now. We were down 16%. We've just gained 6%. We've had a 6% swing in the last few minutes. I'm sorry I wouldn't buy this if it was 1 cent. Absolutely ridiculous. We just saw a short video go out. That was fake, created. It looked like the CEO was creating a video about the stock. Anyone who believed that video needs their head tested. A CEO would not make a video with background music to it. It was the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. Anyway, there you go. I didn't even cover it. I thought I'm not even going to cover this video. We're not going to promote rubbish. Rio Tinto is down. Bitcoin, are we at an all-time high? We are an all-time high, 73. We're just about hitting all-time highs again. Was we there earlier? 71. Was it 71? Yeah, nearly all-time highs for Bitcoin. Polygon. Yeah, Polygon up 1.7. Ripple at 1.3. It's not doing anything yet, is it? Until we get the movement from the court case, the finalization of that. Matador trying to push up. That was maybe your last opportunity. Stephen said it will settle. It just went slightly below that 58. He bought in, and we're seeing it rise again. Is it going to go much lower? Well, Stephen's the man. I guess I need to super chat more next time to get my stocks to go up. Exactly. My stocks went up. Look. My stocks went up. See, I super chatted myself. You didn't super chat. What can I say? Oh, you didn't super chat enough, right? You got to super chat more, right? The voodoo. Remember the voodoo? The more you super chat, the more it goes up. Yeah, that's right. I can go into detail about it if you really want to discuss it in more detail. Vaz, doing what on purpose? Vaz, call up. Let's talk. What's going on? Vaz, Martin stopped you when you started talking about Roaring Kitty. He said there are some issues with that stream. It looks like he was doing it on purpose to stop you from talking about it. No, genuinely, folks, I thought the stream had ended. We started to buffer, but it continued. There's no problem at all. I got to take this hat off. Don't know why I'm sitting here with the hat on. Don't know why I'm doing that. Like if you can fake weak signal over the phone. Fake. Can't hear you. What? I'm on my mobile. No, seriously, I thought the screen had paused. I'm not joking. Vaz, your comment sounded against me. I promise you I am honest always, bro. Yes. Let's have no misunderstandings. All right, let's have a quick look. We got 5 minutes to go. We're going to ring the bell. I'm going to get to work to put out some music videos tonight. So look out for that from our party last night. What's coming up next? More reviews tomorrow. What have we got? Let's have a look. More reviews tomorrow. What are we doing tomorrow? What reviews have we got tomorrow? Let's have a look. We've done that. May 28th. We've done that. Okay, we did that. Let's get rid of that. What have we got here? Peggy, global education, me, 23 and me. So we've got a few reviews tomorrow. Texas Corporation, Texas Pacific, DocuSign. More coming up tomorrow. Looking 20 years ago, looking 20 years younger with the baseball cap. Yeah, no worries. Nice to see you here anyway. Absolutely right. Okay, right, we're coming to the end. Did I end up losing any subscribers saying Meet Kevin was wrong? I bet I have. 25,000. There you go. I lost one. It's okay. It's fine. It's not about that. 25,754. It's absolutely fine. 542. A lot of people are watching it though. They'll watch it and then we'll see what happens. It's only just come out. Only a few minutes. We'll see what happens. Anyway, we're about to ring the bell. Thanks for joining me tonight. Go and check out those reviews I just put out. Danny says, I bought it last week. Hope it goes back to 35 like it did last time. We're all good. Okay. That's it. So what we're doing now is we're gonna end our debate. We're having a new debate every day. We're asking a question every day for you to debate. Let's have a look at today's result. So just before we ring the bell, we're going to go and look at today's result on the extra channel. We were asking you today, what are you, long-term investors or short-term scalpers? 90%. We're going to end the poll there, look. And as you can see, the result from our poll today was long-term investor or short-term scalper, 12-hour debate. Long-term investor, 89%. Short-term scalper, 10%. 29 votes. Overwhelming majority of our viewers are long-term investors, 89%. We also asked you to discuss today, the topic of the day was discussing whether you are the pros and cons, and we've had a lot of conversation today in our chat. If you want to go back and look over that, you can go live chat, and you can scroll back throughout the stream, and you can see what was said throughout the stream. Look, all you do is you zoom back like this, and then you scroll all the way through the day, and you can see what was said throughout the day. And Ian Jackson became a member today, by the way. Ian Jackson became a member of our channel. There you go. Right, so there you go. We'll do another one tomorrow. A question and a debate and a poll every day. All right, it's time to ring the bell. I was right. I said it would be a green day, and it is. Both days now, unnecessary sell-off. Absolutely fine. Didn't sell, didn't buy, just held my position, and we're all good. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. Let's see who was up, who was down, who won today, and let's have a quick look, shall we? Here we go. Are you up? Are you down? I'm up by 0.17. Up 0.17%. I am happy. Who wins today? Day trader of the day. Here we go. Up 0.17%. Who wins today? We need to crash the show one day together. Crash the show. Phone in, smash it all up, bring it all to its knees. Absolutely right. Let's see who wins tonight. Here we go. Up 0.17, down 0.36, down. Up 400% with my... So, no, you can't be up 400%. That's ridiculous. We're talking about overall portfolios, not one individual stock. And there's no way you've made 400% today on a single stock. Hugo T. It's for the members. That's not true. We all know the positions. We do this 12 hours a day, so we know when people are making up stories. Down 11%, but more today. Totally down 0.47. Down 12%. Down 1.7. It looks like I win again. All right. Am I going to win today? Is anyone going to beat me? Come on, tell the truth. Down 1.7. Is that Michelle or Michael? Mikkel? Please tell me how you pronounce your name. I'd love to know. And that would be awesome. Anyway. Am I going to win tonight? Let's roll the credits. See who the stars of the show were today. Stars of our show today. MLGO is 650% up. Hugo T, congratulations, but it's a members only competition, I'm afraid, so we can verify people's scores, otherwise it makes no sense, because people will just come on and say, I'm up 1,000,000%, you know what I mean? Our members don't lie, they don't exaggerate, so we know where we are. No stars of the show, no public subscribers today, no super chats, nothing going on, absolutely rubbish. So we're going to end that. That was rubbish. Down 1.28. Well, in that case, then I win again. Up 0.17. A win's a win. I'll take it all day long. Thank you very much, Martin, for your honest trades. You're very, very welcome. No problem at all. Give me a thumbs up. I want a thumbs up too. Yes, I want a thumbs up. We love you, Martyn Lucas. We are just bantering. I know. It's all good. Banter away, my friend. We know how it works. We've been doing this long enough. 3 years together now, mate. I know how this works. You should have your 2-year badge in a minute, and then you can join the VIP members club. Oh, yes. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. We're all done. We're out of here. I'm going to send you now to the extra channel. I'm going to be recording my latest singles and videos and stuff like that. But in the meantime, I'm going to send everyone now to the extra channel. That's it from me. Behind the scenes, continue the conversation. If you go on the extra channel, when the premieres come out and you want to join us all live for the premieres on the music channel, they'll be out soon. You can be there and be part of the premiere of the world premiere. One day when we have millions of views, you'll all remember the day that you were there on the premieres, because the premieres play back. That's it from me. Thank you so much indeed. I'll see you back for the opening bell in the morning. Look out for my music premieres. I'm going to send everyone now to the extra channel. Take part. It's members only, remember. It's only 99 cents, but the conversation is always real and honest and helpful and useful and supportive. Have some fun in there. I'll see you back in about an hour for your first premiere from the music channel. Love you all. Have a wonderful evening. Look out for the premieres in a minute and enjoy the conversation in the meantime. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto. Most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye for now.